All right, Brooklyn, I have some lily pads for you.
Yeah.
Okay. And I have some frogs. And each frog wants to sit on its own lily pad. So what do you notice? What do you notice?
That is 4 lily pads.
Okay.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 frogs. I don't know how it is.
So each frog needs his own lily pad.
Yeah.
What do you notice?
There is too many frogs.
There's too many frogs. What do you mean? Can you show me? Show
I
me.
think it was this 7. There's that because too.
Oh, are there too many frogs? How many extra frogs are there?
Now it's 3.
Oh, if every frog wants its own lily pad, what do you need?
Maybe another?
One more lily pad?
No, 3 more.
3?
I mean,
Here, I'll let you
2.
figure out what you want. How many lily pads do you want? Okay. Oh. Now what do you notice?
I got a lily pad.